Hello everyone. In today class, we will discuss about the statistics. Someone say statistics is a science. Someone say statistics is a art. Then, what is statistics? Either statistics is science or statistics is an art. In this video lecture, we will discuss about the statistics as a science and statistics as an art, and statistics in both the science as well as an art. Clear? So first of all, we will discuss about statistics as a science. The systematic study of the systematic study of cause and effect relationship and the factor of making a generalization in terms of scientific principles of laws is called science. यानी जैसे हमें बताया जाता है साइंस क्या होती है, सिस्टमेटिक स्टडी of a cause and effect relationship on the effort of making a generalization in terms of scientific principle of laws is called science, and it describes everything objectively without terming anything vague as good or bad. Like scientific study, statistical method also answer various questions such as, जो स्टैटिकल मेथड हमारे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन का आंसर देते हैं, such as how an investigation should be conducted and what are the ways to find valid and reliable conclusion and how far the conclusion are dependable. The science of statistics is very different from traditional science such as physics and chemistry. जो स्टैटिस्टिक्स है हमारी, स्टैटिस्टिक्स एज ए साइंस है, दिस इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर साइंस या ट्रेडिशनल साइंस जो आजकल हम ट्रेडिशनल में यूज करते हैं, जो हमारी फिजिक्स है, केमिस्ट्री एंड सो ऑन. समटाइम इट इज रेफर्ड टू एज द साइंस ऑफ साइंटिफिक मेथड. दिस इज द रीजन why statisticians consider it as a scientific method instead of pure science. Basically, this is the applied science basically. Clear? So I think with the help of this you are able to understand how can we say statistics as a science. Now I will discuss about the statistics as an art. आर्ट इज एन अप्लाइड नॉलेज. इट इज आर्ट क्या हमारी अप्लाइड नॉलेज है, एंड इट रेफर्स टू द एक्सपर्टाइज ऑफ हैंडलिंग फैक्ट्स टू अटेन अ गिवन ऑब्जेक्टिव. इट इज कंसर्न विद वेज एंड means of presenting and handling data, making logical inference and drawing relevant conclusion. It concerns with the ways and means of presenting and handling data, making logical inference and drawing relevant conclusion. In this respect, statistics is also an art. यानी अभी हमने जो डेटा बताया है कि ये क्या क्या करता है, हमारा डेटा को प्रेजेंटिंग एंड हैंडलिंग डेटा हैंडल करता है, मेकिंग लॉजिकल इन्फ्रेंस होता है, ड्राइंग रिलीवेंट कंक्लूजन होता है. इन दिस inference and drawing in this respect, statistics is also an art, as it states how to use statistical rules and principle in order to study the problems and get their solution. Various types of difficult problem can be solved with the use of statistical methods. The various rules of statistics help in attaining the desired result. Statistical methods are applied for obtaining the conclusion of the various aspects which are related to art, such as which statistical method are used to solve special type of problem and how the two facts are compared or correlated. Hence, statistics is called an art. अभी हमने जो देखा इसने हमें बताया कि कैसे हम कह सकते हैं कि स्टैटिस्टिक्स हमारी आर्ट है. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस स्टैटिस्टिक्स इज बोथ साइंस एज वेल एज आर्ट. यानी स्टैटिस्टिक्स हमारी साइंस भी है और आर्ट भी है. Statistics in both science and art. As statistics has both the elements of art and science, hence it can be said that the statistics is both science as well as an art. It is used to draw the conclusion from a set of facts and figures. This inference drawing or conclusive study is important for economic and social progress. According to Tiplet is one of the famous statistician. Tiplet, it is both a science and an art. It is a science in that its methods are basically systematic and have general application, and an art in that their successful application depends to a considerable degree on a skill and special experience of the statistician and his knowledge of the field of application such as economics. Here we see that statistics is also a science, statistics is also an art, and in another word we can say statistics is both science as well as art. In my next video we will discuss about the scope and application of statistics. I think it's clear. Thank you so much.